Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you incredible recipe from Chinese cuisine. So let's go to China. In today's video, we're gonna present you guys Chinese pepper chicken stir fry, guys. If you love stir fry, this is gonna be the best one that you will be looking forward to eat over and over again, guys. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, here are the ingredients we are gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with vegetable oil. So guys, in total, I'm gonna use 10 tablespoons. And then we are gonna need soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. We are gonna use apple juice, 1 tablespoon. For those of you who do not want to use apple juice, guys, you can use Chinese white wine, guys. Then 1 tablespoon of pomegranate juice, 1 onion, medium size, 2 pieces of red pepper, approximately 200 or 300 grams of chicken fillet. Then guys, here I've got 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, I'm gonna use garlic. So here I've got 9 pieces. If you like more, you can use more. This is how much I love. So this is why I'm using this much. Then we are coming to our most beloved spices, guys. For the spices, we are gonna use salt, black pepper, red hot chili pepper, and red sweet pepper, guys. Guys, again, if you do not like any of these spices, you can replace with the spices that you enjoy eating. But the black pepper is the base because this is the pepper chicken recipe. So let's do it. So guys, first of all, before starting, I want to show you I've cut the chicken fillet in lengthwise in thin slices. Then I'm gonna add here our minced garlic. Then guys, we are gonna add here 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. In the beginning, guys, I told you I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon, but actually I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons because 1 tablespoon I'm gonna use here and 1 tablespoon for the sauce. All right, guys? Apologies for that. So 1 tablespoon, and just mix it up. After mixing it well, guys, we are gonna leave it to marinate for 5 minutes. Guys, meanwhile, while our chicken fillet is being marinated, we are gonna prepare sauce. So here I've got pomegranate dressing, 1 tablespoon. Then I'm gonna add here 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Then guys, if you have Chinese white wine, you can use white wine, but I prefer not to use it. For that reason, I'm gonna use apple juice, 1 tablespoon. And we just mix it up. Make sure the color should be even. All right. So guys, it's time to cook our chicken. But first of all, I would like to show you one tip that's gonna help you a lot. So you can take any kind of tray and put a paper towel ahead. So this way, once your chicken is fried here, you can take them here, and the oil, vegetable oil, will be gone with this paper towel, and this will be much more healthier for you. So let's do it, guys. We open the fire on highest level, and then, as I told you guys, I'm gonna use 10 tablespoons of vegetable oil in total. For frying, I'm gonna use 7 tablespoons. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Guys, again, if you have bigger family and you are cooking for more person, you are gonna count it accordingly. So while our oil is getting hot, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our chicken And then I'm gonna add here 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just add it. That's it, guys. Guys, the reason we are using here cornstarch is we want the chicken fillet to be crispy. So that is the only reason. And we place them. Move them at once. I already smell really nice fried garlic and chicken. So I'm gonna start taking out. When you see it's a little bit golden brown, it means it's ready. When taking them out, we don't want them to be broken. So that's why I'm taking piece by piece. Now, it's time for them to be out. This is the last, guys. Guys, that's it. This is was the last and it's ready. So now I'm gonna replace the pan and we're gonna take out our chicken. This is the second and the last part basically. So 7 tablespoons I've used for frying the chicken and 3 tablespoons I'm gonna use here. 1, 2, 3. And it's vegetable oil, guys. Make sure that your oil gets hot. Guys, when your oil gets hot, we are gonna add onion, chopped onion and chopped red pepper at the same time. And just mix them up. Now it's time to separate our fried chicken from the paper towel. You see the oil that is left under? That's the reason I told you to use paper towel, guys. Chicken here. And we mix them together. Also, this is the time for the spices. So guys, here for the spices I'm using salt, black pepper, red hot chili pepper, red sweet pepper, guys. Just mix them up well. If you don't like any of the spices, you are welcome to replace any time with any spices that you love eating. For sauce, we are gonna add the sauce. Just make circles and mix them all together. Make sure that your sauce now will coat all the fried chicken, all the veggies here. Guys, the point here is that the sauce should be coated with all the chicken and veggies, and it should turn to brownish color just like our sauce. Just fry it just for 1 or 2 minutes and then it's time to close the fire. my goodness, guys. It smells so good. Voila, guys. Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal, guys. Thank you for watching our video, guys. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this particular best Chinese pepper chicken stir fry recipe, guys. And thank you for watching again. If you like our videos, guys, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice, cozy evening, guys. Bye-bye.